Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, guys, so we're doing problem number 36 in chemistry, the central science. We're doing chapter 5. So we're looking at the reaction 2NO plus O2 yields 2NO2. Then this reaction is being performed at constant volume, constant temperature. So they want us to know, they want us to tell them, would the measured change in heat from this reaction represent delta H or delta E? And it's actually going to represent both. Now let me explain why that is. So we're dealing with a constant V in this case. So delta V is equal to 0, and we're also at constant temperature, so delta T is also equal to 0. Work is equal to the U negative P times delta V. And since delta V is equal to 0, we're going to have this minus P times 0 is equal to 0. No work is being done in this scenario. That means delta E is equal to Q plus us W. Since Q is 0, delta E is equal to Q. Similarly, delta H is equal to delta E plus us delta PV. So we don't see any change in volume. So the value of PV stays the same in this case. So this is actually going to us. So W is going to be equal to 0. So that also means that delta PEV is equal to 0 as well. So HE is going to equal delta E. And to just sum this up nicely, delta H is going to equal delta E, which is going to equal to Q. So the heat change from this reaction is going to be equal to delta H and delta E for